What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use an application called PayPal. So I'm going to show you the main features that are in the app. So I'd encourage you to watch this video to the end. So if that sounds interesting, then let's hop straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, this is a display that's going to show you two main things, which is your recent activities that you've made within the app and the active card linked to your PayPal account. So the first feature is, how do you link a card? I created a video on how you can go about linking your bank card to your PayPal account. So I'll put the link in the description below, but just a sneak peek on how you can do it. You click on link a card. Okay, and then you'll be brought to this dashboard where you get to enter your credentials. So in the video that I created, I explained each and every step to help you minimize errors when you're linking your bank card to your PayPal account. So I'll go back and show you some more features. So on your top left, there are three lines. So you click on that for more features. And then as you can see, on top there, you've got the active name or the username of this PayPal account, which is Greenford. And then you've got dashboard, which is where I'm from. And then the other features are you can send, or you can check your wallet. You can check the activities that have recently happened in your PayPal account. And then the last feature on this list is help. So the instances where you click on help is if you want to get assistance from the PayPal team. So I'll click on send and show you a few things. So you'll be brought to this dashboard. So what you can do with this dashboard is you can send money to another person's PayPal account. So provided they give you an email address, you can be able to send money into their account regardless of where they are across the world. So let's say, for instance, I want to send money to abcd@gmail.com. So I'm just using Gmail as an example. Once this email address has a PayPal account linked to it, you can be able to initiate the transaction, which is sending money to that particular account. And then after a few minutes, they'll be able to confirm receipt of the money you've just sent. So other than send, you can click on wallet. So on wallet, it's simply showing you the linked card to your PayPal account. So the active card to this PayPal account is only one. So you can link as many cards as you want. So for me, for now, I only have one active card linked to my PayPal account. So that's basically the main feature on wallet. And then the other thing you can do is you can check your activities. So these are the activities that I've recently had in my PayPal account. So you can check the activities that you've had to confirm on any particular transaction you need clarity on. The last one is help. So on help, this is where you can contact the PayPal team to ask for any assistance. So you can simply type in the question that you have there. So let's say, for instance, the first one that has popped up: how do I know if my email is from PayPal, and how do I report a spoof email? So that's your response on how you can have answers on that particular question. So you've got a lot of stuff to read for you to gain clarity. So if none of these questions meet what you want to inquire, you can generate or type your own message and send it to the team for them to respond to your inquiry. So how do you do that? So you scroll down, and then where it's saying contact us, I'll click on it. And then you'll be brought to this dashboard. So what you do is scroll down a bit, and then where it's saying messages, click on it. So once on this platform, you can generate your own message, type it, then send it to them, then they respond. So let's say, for instance, how do I receive money? So as you can see, upon sending the question, I've received an instant response. So that's basically it on the main features that PayPal comes with. So if you've learned a few things on how you can use your PayPal account or familiarize yourself with the user interface of PayPal, I'll be really glad if you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.